Have you ever thought about what would happen to planet Earth if the human race became extinct? You've probably seen scenes in post-apocalyptic movies depicting streets and buildings abandoned by humans and the fate they undergo afterward. But how will this disaster affect human civilization? In this video, we intend to explore the changes to Earth after the disappearance of humans. Please support us with likes and subscriptions and share with your friends. Thanks a lot! How humans become extinct here is not very important, and we are only examining the changes to the Earth and the absence of humans. In the first few days after humans disappear, domestic animals pour onto the streets due to hunger and thirst and are forced to fend for themselves. The available food in the environment can sustain them for a while, but ultimately, most of them die of hunger. After the disappearance of humans, power plants cease operation, and darkness blankets everything at night. In the absence of electricity, a major catastrophe occurs far more extensive than mere darkness. Nuclear power plants require electricity to pump water for cooling their reactors. When the power is cut off, these reactors lose their cooling systems and catch fire due to the intensity of the heat. The simplest chemical materials of these power plants remain in nature for at least 300 years. But countries with plutonium power plants contaminate the environment with radioactive materials for up to 240,000 years. After a year of human absence, grasses and fungi gradually cover the roads and Earth's surface, erasing human-made infrastructure. With the first winter, snow blankets everything and helps new plants grow more from the crevices between asphalt and cobblestone streets. While in some areas nature is in the process of rebuilding itself, in regions where radioactive materials have been dispersed, animals either die or are forced to migrate to other areas. After 50 years, the appearance of cities has changed significantly due to nature, and like the roads, the buildings have also been turned green by grasses, and their strength deteriorates. Natural disasters such as floods and earthquakes cause more damage to cities, leaving only uninhabitable ruins. 500 years after humans went extinct, forests cover all cities, and the absence of carbon dioxide production results in much better weather conditions than during the human era. The animal population has greatly increased, and many endangered species find salvation. When 500,000 years have passed since the fall of humans, no civilization remains to remind humanity except for massive stone structures like the pyramids of Egypt, the Great Wall of China, and Mount Rushmore, which are partially buried under soil and vegetation. Animals or creatures may have undergone transformations, or even new species may have emerged. 5 billion years later, conditions have changed and the lifespan of this terrestrial globe is nearing its end. The Earth has become intensely hot, and almost all life on it has vanished. Eventually, the sun has expanded so much that it evaporates the oceans and ultimately destroys the entire planet. Perhaps on that day, the only thing that might remain of humans are NASA's satellites, still orbiting, abandoned in their missions. Maybe by then, civilization could find these satellites and realize that once humans lived somewhere called planet Earth. Okay guys, and that's a wrap for this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. See you soon!